Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you get street view on Google Maps. So just go to your Google Maps app. Then in the map just select the area that you want to get a street view. Just tap on an area like here. And here you can see a picture. Just click on this picture. Now you can get the street view from here. You can move 360-degree. You can go forward or backward. So guys, that's how you can get the street view on Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tag Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.